The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hocking County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Hocking Hills State Park, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Logan, Nelsonville, Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Murray City, Jeffersonville, Islesboro, Lake Logan State Park, Haydenville, South Bloomingville, Enterprise, Union Furnace, and Carbon Hill. The flash flood. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for southeastern Licking County until midnight Friday. At 4:01 p.m., Emergency Management reported flooding in southern Licking County, which was flowing into the South Fork of the Licking River. Due to earlier heavy rainfall, lowland flooding in Heath is expected along the South Fork of the Licking River, mainly between Dorsey Mill Road East and the South Fork of the Licking. Radar indicated that the heavy rainfall has ended across the area. However, runoff from the earlier excessive rain will cause flooding to continue to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Heath and Hebron. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Perry County until 6:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., local law enforcement reported flooding is occurring in multiple locations across northern Perry County with several roads impassable from earlier rains. Although the flash flood threat is over, it will take several hours for flood waters to recede and roads will likely remain closed well into tonight. Some locations that will experience flooding include Somerset, Thornport, Harbor Hills, Thornville, and Glenford. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Central Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties until 4:15 p.m. Friday. At 4:36 p.m., reporting gauges indicate several rivers, creeks, and streams are rising due to heavy rainfall from earlier today. With some more rainfall expected this evening, many of these creeks and streams will likely overflow their banks and allow for flooding over the warned area. Flooding is expected to increase through the night as rivers respond and continue into Friday. Road closures due to high water are expected near many of these waterways. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River at Circleville from late tonight to Saturday morning. At 4 p.m. the stage was 10.1 feet. Flood stage is 15 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 18.2 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early Saturday morning. At stages near 18 feet, low-lying areas north of Circleville near Little Walnut begin to flood. Flooding also worsens at the intersection of Canal Road and State Route 104 and on Island Road north of Circleville. Backwater flooding occurs along Big Darby Creek near Circleville. National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Hocking River at Enterprise from late tonight to late Friday night. At 5 p.m. the stage was 5.3 feet. Flood stage is 12 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 14 feet by Friday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow late evening. At stages near 14 feet, water spills into Kashimoker Park in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Route 33 at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Lowland flooding also occurs in Rockbridge.